Now to our special series of reports on Antarctica. Our team travelled to the Earth's southernmost continent to meet its black and white locals and explore their lifestyle. One claim suggests penguins flip over to the sound of passing planes. RT's Sean Thomas went to separate the truth from the myths.
The penguins of Antarctica, truly fascinating creatures to watch. But are they in trouble from a man-made threat? Back in 1982, British pilots in the Falklands discovered a phenomenon as they flew over penguin colonies. They said the birds would topple over as they lifted their heads to watch the planes fly by. Then penguins by the thousands were left on their backs, unable to right themselves. But is this story true?
Well, I think it's something that's widely known amongst the public, but I think generally regarded amongst anyone that knows anything about it as being a bit of a myth, to be honest. An Antarctic Falkland Isles myth.
As for the second part of the tale, a special person had to be employed to turn the birds right side up after they fell. Otherwise, they would die. One German ornithologist we spoke to claimed that this indeed was her job.
Well, it's my job to look for penguins and go out every day to see whether they fall over, and I need to get them up again. And so sometimes it can be quite hard because they don't like bridge watch, but yeah, it can be quite rewarding. Thank you very much.
A further look into Anka's credentials left some doubt, as well as a check with the chief of Russia's Bellingshausen station, a base located in a unique place between an airstrip and a penguin colony.
No, we don't have anyone who does that job here.
With all of the controversy surrounding this rumor, we decided to go to the source itself to see what they had to say about the airplane myth.
Unfortunately, the penguins were remaining silent on the topic, but careful observation revealed that sometimes the penguins appeared to have special dances. In a hurry, they could be clumsy and often slipped. And we even found evidence that they were highly intelligent and divisive creatures.
Penguins are actually very smart birds. Sometimes when they come to the edge of the ice, you see them peeking over, looking for leopard seals. If one gets too close to the edge, another penguin will push him in as a sacrifice to test the waters.
Snopes.com, an internet myth-busting site, says that a British science team actually did research to see if the claims were true. They found that the penguins only scattered from the noise of the airplanes and not one single penguin had toppled backwards. But with no real evidence for ourselves, we decided to do a final test with a little help from the Chilean Air Force. Our mission? To see if we could put this myth to rest once and for all. And it seems, for now, the penguins are safe and no one should be moving south for jobs that just don't exist. In Antarctica, Sean Thomas, RT.